Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 1994. The given question is a generation of intermediate code based on abstract machine model is used in a compiler because. Okay, so why are we using that abstract machine model in compiler is the question, right? Yes, so it makes implementation of lexical analysis and syntax analysis easier. So I think this option, I think we should remove it directly, right? Because when we are talking about intermediate code generation, so that stage will come after lexical and syntax analysis, right? Then how come this thing is going to help in the previous step? That's quite a really bad option, right? Yes, so moving on to option B says syntax directed graphs, syntax directed translation can be written for intermediate code generation. Okay, option C says it enhances the probability of front end of the compiler. Okay, so option D says it is not possible to generate code for a real machines directly from higher level programs. Okay, so isn't it funny, guys? So any kind of machine you take, any kind of language you take, if there is a proper compiler, it can convert into lower level language, right? But here they are saying it's quite impossible, so that's also absolutely wrong. So once you read this question, so you should understand these options, guys. Okay, yes, and now let us go through option B and C. Before once, let us go through the question once again. So generation of intermediate code based on abstract machine model is used in compiler because. So why do we use this abstract machine model in compiler? Okay, so the main reason why we use this abstract model is so this particular thing we use mainly in multi-pass compilers, guys. So in multi-pass compilers, if you recall, we are going to have something called front end and something called back end, and in between you can have multiple passes, and here you will give the high level language, here you will get the output. So here in the front end place, this abstract machine model will help you to generate it faster, guys. So that is the reason why it is a front end thing and it is helping in that. Okay, so it enhances the probability of a front end of the compiler. Got it? Yes, so this is a quite interesting question. It's a theoretical question, guys, to be clear. Okay, yes, I think I did not discuss about this abstract machine model, but please remember it from now on. Okay, yes. Okay, so now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this, right? Yes, so this is a good question, right? Yes. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question, right? Yes, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.